Hey guys, welcome back. Now let's look into our one more kind of plot is area plot. So what I'll do, I'll create one text now and it will just mention it as area plot. Now let's look into the area plot and we will eventually see the different way of doing the area plot when we are doing the bar plot too. At the moment, I will just show you how to do the area plot. So let me take the data, the same data, whatever we are having with me. I will take the same kind of data. Yep. So in order to do the area plot, what you need to do is that we need to set the index. And remember one thing, we don't have the area plot in the Seaborn and we make use of the functionality in the pandas to do the area plot. Since I'm already having the df1 with me, which is already set it, so what I'll do, I will do the plotting here and kind of plot. If we, since we already see the line plot and the kind of plot if you see, and this is what we already done here. Instead, if you specify into the place of line, if you specify area, and what you'll get is the area plot. Is a powerful way of visualizing the area plot. So let me try to increase the figure size. It is fig comma axis and which is equal to plt dot figure and fig size, which is my, let me take 15,6 and specify ax is equal to ax and plt dot show. And what we can see here is that nice, oh, we got an error, and yeah, it's not figure, it is subplots. All right, so what we got is that we got nice area plot. In the upcoming lectures we will see about the area plots and how to plot the area plots, because we have not pre-processed the data enough to show you the area plot at the moment. Currently this is the area plot we have, and what we will do in the upcoming lecture, we will pre-process data and I will be going to show you the way of doing the area plots, and also show you the stacked area plot too. So this is what now guys, in the next lecture we will see how to plot the bar plot. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. In the upcoming videos we are going to watch about the powerful visualizations on time series data like area plot, bar plot, heat maps, etc. So we are going to see all those things in this upcoming videos. Please find the description for the URLs below on the visualizations on time series data. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Data Science Anywhere for more videos and projects on data science. Thank you very much and happy learning.